Now to do this job, what you need is a T25 Torx and also a 6mm socket. Other than those tools, this job should go really, really easy. Holy crap, that's filthy. So if your filter looks like this, you might be better off just replacing the entire filter rather than attempting to clean and recharge the whole thing. So for this car, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to replace it with the stock Mala air filter, because to be honest, some people have mentioned that this is actually better than the K&N filter. But for the sake of this video, because it's all about trying to recharge this thing, I'm going to go forward with it and show you the rest of the install. I'm just going to let this dry for a little bit. Now, an air filter should never get to be this dirty, and the reason it's this dirty is because when I bought the car, it didn't come with the airbox lid. And I think the reason why people like to take the airbox lid off is because it sounds more exciting when you're under throttle. But the problem is you're exposing the air filter to the elements in the engine bay, and also you're introducing a lot of heat into the air, so you're really not doing any good to the car. If you've got an S60R or a V70R and you're thinking about taking off the airbox lid, don't do it. So if you learned something from this video, please make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons down below. There's a lot of stuff going on the Shifting Lanes YouTube channel. We have a lot of Volvo content. We also review a lot of new cars. So make sure you're subscribed to watch all of that stuff. With that being said, I'm going to wrap it up right there. My name is Hanson, and I'll see you next time.